In this video, we will discuss about another data structure in Python, dictionary. Let's learn it through a classic example by implementing an English-Spanish dictionary. So let's begin. Here, let D be a dictionary. Elements of the dictionary are enclosed by braces and are separated by commas. Each element consists of a key value pair. We will discuss what that means in a while. To get the value of an element in dictionary, we have to specify its key. In most of the data structure, we specify the index position of that value. So let's print that. Here, as you can see, hola is the value of hi in the dictionary. As you can see, the hi is the key and hola is the value. Like that, friend is the key and amigo is the value, and famous is the key and famoso is the value. Like that. Now let's examine or let's familiarize with some functions in dictionary. So let's familiarize with keys. Oh, it's need brackets. Yeah. Now we can see the keys in the dictionary. And let's get another function. Let's be values. Let's print the values of the key. Yeah. In this dictionary, you can see the values now. D dot keys means the dictionary dot keys and D dot value means dictionary dot values. As D is the identifier or the name that we had given to the dictionary. Now let's examine how many elements are there, and as you can see, yeah, there are 3 elements. Now let's insert some new element. And we are going to print it, and yeah, now you can see the new element is there, like we did that D of a new key and a new value. Here ho with H caps is key and ho with H small is value. To alter the value in dictionary, we have to specify the key of that value and use assignment operator that is equal to sign and the new value that we want in the place of the old value of that key. Here we had altered the value of O and made it as 1. The link to the program that we had discussed in this video is given in the description box. Please feel free to check it, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more on ML, subscribe to this channel.